Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Introduction to Chemistry. First, we have to define the chemistry and then we will go for the branches and significance, importance of chemistry. Chemistry is defined as that branch of science which deals with composition and properties of matter, changes in matter, and the laws which govern these changes. This is the main definition of the chemistry. Means you have to focus the composition, properties, changes, and laws which govern these changes, like ice, water, metal, iron, copper. How, what is the composition of steel? What is the composition of milk powder for baby powder? What are the properties of these metal? Like what is the properties of chalk? What is the property of metal rod? What is the property of wooden rod, wooden stick? Changes in matter. What will happen? We will apply pressure and temperature on the iron rod, and what will happen when we will apply pressure and temperature on the wooden stick or on chalk. These are the changes which we will observe, understand, and study in chemistry, and the laws which govern these changes. Now, branches of chemistry. There are total main 9 branches of chemistry, but overall it contains 5 main branches. Remaining are the sub-branches. Number one is nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry, it deals with the structure and changes occur in the nucleus of an atom. यानी कि एटम के न्यूक्लियस के अंदर स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर जो चेंजेस हो रहे हैं वो, और it also provides us isotopes for the treatment of diseases like cancers, for example, and X-rays, ultrasounds, and chemotherapy. These all the processes or applications are under the nuclear chemistry. You are moving some neutrons, you are moving some protons, you are moving something in the inside of the nucleus, then this is under the nuclear chemistry. Now, second is environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry tells about the environmental hazards and how do we protect ourselves. For example, health hazards, planting, pollution, water pollution, air pollution, effects of environmental pollution on the life of humans, animals, and plants. These are all under the environmental chemistry. Next is industrial chemistry. The application of chemistry knowledge, chemical knowledge in industry and the productions of industrial products. यानी कि केमिकल नॉलेज को आप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं इंडस्ट्रीज के अंदर, प्रोडक्शंस ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट्स पैदा करने से, एंड सिंथेटिक फाइबर इज कॉल्ड इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री. It is the chemistry of synthetic fiber, glass, fertilizers, and so much like toothpaste industry, shampoo industry, cosmetic industries. All these belong to the chemistry. We are using the bleaching property of chlorine for bleach our skins and bleach our cloths and bleach our hairs, and different types of dyes we are using. This is all belongs to the industrial chemistry. We are making soap industry, we are making shampoo industries. In this, all the toothpaste industries, jam industries, jam, jelly, and so many things all belongs to the industrial chemistry. Cement industry, plastic pipes, insulation wires, all belongs to industrial chemistry. Next is polymer chemistry, polymeric chemistry. It deals with the study of polymerization. Polymerization is the basic process in which a polymer is designed. And what is polymer? Polymer is as simple as it is a simplest type of plastic. Either There are different types of plastic, but we will understand simple word plastic using simple word plastic, such as plastic, synthetic fiber, polyvinyl chloride, PVC. As you know, PVC is of electric pipes or water pipes. Analytical chemistry. It is important to understand the composition and quality of compound, in which method and techniques are involved, such as composition of urine, composition of blood, composition of water, like composition of juice, how much quantity of carbohydrates, how much quantity of protein, how much quantity of fats are included in this juice. What is the composition of injection? What is the composition of syrup? What is the composition of milk powder? What is the composition of protein shake? These are all under the heading of analytical chemistry. Now, next is biochemistry. It is the backbone of the medical science. It is chemistry of living things. It tells us the use of chromatography. It tells us about the chemical reactions and compounds of living things. For example, medicines, treatment, and technology. If we are using technology, then we will go for the biochemistry linked with the nuclear chemistry. And if we are dealing with the treatment, then biochemistry will link with the physical chemistry and organic chemistry and analytical chemistry. And if biochemistry link with the medicines, then it will go for the industrial chemistry, environmental chemistry. Okay, then all the branches are linked together. Now, next is the physical chemistry. It deals with the laws and principles involved in composition of atom and molecules. One atom combined with three atoms of different element, or one atom combined with the five atoms of the different element. It all have some laws and principles depending of their bonding, their depending upon their valency, depending upon their energies. These all are discussed in the physical chemistry. It also deals with the physical properties and physical behavior of the material things. Next is organic chemistry. This is one of the biggest branch of chemistry. It deals with the study of carbon and hydrogen compounds called the hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Derivative means compounds such as sugar, glucose, methane gas, petroleum, nail polish washer, shampoo, soap. These all are organic compounds. Next is inorganic compounds. The study of elements and their compounds except carbon is called the inorganic compound chemistry. It also deals with the study of elements and their classification and their properties with respect to the metals and non-metals. For example, iron, copper, chlorine, and salts, acid, base, metals, non-metals, metalloids, semiconductors, conductors. Now, next is the role of chemistry in the society. Chemistry has an important effect on our lifestyle, such as food, synthetic fiber, plastic, medicines, cement, glass, fertilizer, explosives are the major gifts of the chemistry. Chemistry has played an important role in the well-being of mankind in the form of food, clothing, shelter, medical treatment, in entertainment facilities. Crops are being protected by using the pesticides. The production of variety of artificial fibers has brought a revolution in our clothing. There are different types of clothing, different types of fabrics which belongs to the chemistry. Cement, iron, bricks, glass, plastics used in the construction of houses are the result of our knowledge of chemistry. The attractive and colorful paints are used for making the houses are all the more beautiful just because of the chemistry. Polyester, fiberglasses, different type of plastics, multicolor glasses, tiles, stainless steel, alloy of different metals are the products of chemistry. One of the main important is petroleum, and thousands of petrochemicals have provided countless facilities to us for our daily life. Thank you. This all is the introduction of chemistry.